In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to WordPress using the HubSpot CRM WordPress plugin in 2023. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or someone looking to enhance their website's functionality, this step-by-step guide will help you integrate these powerful platforms seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the HubSpot trial guide. You can access this by logging into your HubSpot account and locating the trial guide section under the Sales Hub Professional. This is where you will find all of the necessary tools and options needed for our setup today. Once you've accessed the trial guide, the next step is to head to the marketplace. In HubSpot, the marketplace is like a one-stop shop for finding and adding various apps and integrations that can enhance your CRM's capabilities. So let's click on Marketplace to explore the plugin options available. Now that you're in the Marketplace, you'll see a variety of options that can be integrated with HubSpot. To narrow it down and find what we need, look for the tab labeled Apps. Click on Apps to filter your search, making it easier to locate the specific plugins compatible with your platform. With the Apps tab open, it's time to search for the WordPress plugin. In the search bar provided, go ahead and type in WordPress. This will bring up the WordPress plugin designed to connect your HubSpot account seamlessly with your WordPress website. It's renowned for its capability to sync information, automate marketing efforts, and track visitors effectively. When the search results appear, be sure to locate the WordPress option and click on it. This should open up a detailed page showing all the features and benefits that come along with installing this specific plugin. Be sure to scroll through and review any additional details or user reviews if needed before proceeding. After reviewing the details, you'll want to move forward by clicking on the Install App button. By doing so, you are initiating the installation process to add this plugin to your HubSpot account, allowing it to link with your WordPress website. It's as simple as that. The installation process should guide you through any required steps needed to finalize the setup, such as authorizing permissions or connecting to your WordPress dashboard. Once you've installed the plugin and followed all the additional instructions provided by HubSpot, your integration should be complete. This setup will not only streamline your data between HubSpot and WordPress, but also optimize your marketing strategies and enhance user engagement on your website. Thank you for joining me in today's guide on connecting HubSpot with WordPress. I hope this was helpful and that you now feel confident in setting up this integration. Stay tuned for more tutorials coming your way, and feel free to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance.